Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix unable to load Facebook page. So if you can see a page like this which is not loading, then go back and go to your settings first, go for app and notification, search for your Facebook app, here it is. Now go for storage and cache. Now you have to clear your cache from here. So now you can see this is now 0 MB. Go back and go to your Play Store, search for Facebook, and now you have to update your Facebook app. And in my situation, I have already updated my Facebook app. So then go back to your Facebook page and load it. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can reload your Facebook page. Uh, Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xiroosft. Xiroosft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xiroosft today. For more details, check the description box.